Hey everyone, today we're removing the bottom panel of the Alienware Area 51M laptop. Now there are 6 screws underneath to remove first. Also, here's everything you can replace with this video. Now once you remove the screws, you gotta pry open the bottom cover. Alright, so underneath the cover we have the second M.2 slot. We have the first M.2 slot, 4 RAM slots, the battery, 2.5-inch SATA drive slot, and the Wi-Fi card. Now my laptop already came with screws for the M.2 slot. Oh, we also have the CMOS battery. So I'll put up the part number for the heatsinks because I'll also be ordering a heatsink for the SSD. I'm not sure if they're run hot or not. I'll let you guys know later. Okay, next we're replacing the RAM sticks. And finally, I'll be removing the 2.5-inch hard drive as this one is very slow and I have no need for it in this laptop. There's 4 screws holding in the hard drive, and you have a little cable to remove. It's a Seagate 1 terabyte. Now this thing flexes easily. It's like not even real metal, which is unfortunate. To put it back, you just reinsert the 4 screws. Be careful when you're putting it back because I dropped the screws into the laptop a few times. Now, when you're putting the bottom cover in, you just gotta insert it into the tabs and then tighten the screws and then just click the cover into the laptop by pressing down on the tabs. Alright, and as you can see, I have 32 gigs of RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD. I'm waiting for a specific product to release before I do a full teardown with repaste, so see you in the next one.